Meetings. Of course, you can create meetings in eStudy for online lessons, personal meetings, etc. Click on the Meetings button. Now select any time and date you want and just click on it. A meeting creation tab opens. On the right side, select the students you want to invite to this meeting. Click on the plus to add them. They appear at the bottom to the left. Now enter the name of the meeting or lesson and select the date if you need to change it. Meetings are very powerful in eStudy. Not only can you create meetings for a specific time, but you can create a series of meetings that repeat in different patterns. For example, you can create a lesson that takes place every Tuesday for 2 hours and additionally every second Wednesday for 1 hour. There are virtually no limits. The number to the right of the selected frequency means every first or every second, and so on. To add a pattern, click on Add Date and Time. Select a subject and the meeting type, then click on the Create button. A meeting appears in the calendar. At the same moment, students will receive an invite to the meeting. Click on a meeting. It opens a meeting overview to the left. You can see whether students accepted the invite. You can chat with students and you can enter a meetings video room. By clicking on a meetings type, you can filter meetings in the calendar. Students see their meetings in their My Calendar. eStudy FM is loaded with benefits. Discover it for yourself and join for free now.